Welcome my beautiful people, it's your good girl Adora, and today's video is my highly requested silk press tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy. So for step 1 and step 2, I like to go in with the Pantene Repair and Protect shampoo and conditioner. Yes guys, I don't use any fancy shampoo or conditioner. This is what works for me. For step 3, I like to go in with the Garnier Fructis Hair Filler Bonding. This helps protect my hair and strengthen my hair, especially since I am straightening it. For heat protectant, I like to go in with 3 different heat protectants just to secure my hair and protect it. The first one I like to go in with is the Marc Jacobs Grow Long Anti-Frizz Shield Ultimate Blowout. When I tell you, this stuff is so good. The second heat protectant I like to go in with is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Weightless Silk Serum. When I tell you, this is so good and it's very weightless, so you can put as much as you want. And for the third heat protectant, I like to use the Fantasia Hair Polish Heat Protector. You know, this is the OG heat protector. I don't like to use too much of this because it does get kind of greasy, so I just use a handful of this. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair in 2, and then I'm going to section off into 4 so I could drench my hair with heat protectant before I start the blow drying process.
Do you even believe me? The words that I'm speaking, but you turn your back on me right when I need you. But you keep believing in me even when I don't believe in myself. I feel like giving up. This is my cry for help, giving all I got inside of me. I cannot give this up so easily. Been gone for a minute, it's piling up on me. This music shit is all I know, and I need it. I can't survive without it. I cannot survive. I cannot survive. I cannot survive. I cannot survive.
So now I'm just going to start blow drying my hair so then I can straighten my hair. I will probably leave a link down below for the blow dryer that I'm using. This blow dryer is so good. Like when I say it gets my hair so straight before I even straighten it. So yeah, definitely recommend.
I have nothing, nothing. And I was nothing before you met me. It's all that I'm gonna change. Can I get it right this time? Can I get it right this time?
So my secret to getting my silk press extra smooth and silky, I go in with a hot comb and then I go in with my titanium flat iron. So yes guys, when you want your silk press to look real sleek, the best thing to do is go in first at the roots with a hot comb and then finish off the rest with your flat iron.
All I wanna do is just get it right.
So I'm not even gonna do any more long talking, honestly, because this video is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the music and watch the rest of this video. Enjoy.
It's so discouraging. Why can't why can't I get it right? Why can't I say what's really on my mind? Why does it come out so stupid, so foolish, discouraging? Honestly, I can't even write a song, not even one damn song. Like I started halfway, struggled till I had enough. Move on to the next one, but I can't give up on this. This is all I know. I cannot survive. 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 I cannot survive without it. I need it. I need it. I cannot survive without it. Gotta get it right. Oh, do you even believe me? The words that I'm speaking, but you turn your back on me right when I need you. But you keep believing in me even when I don't believe in myself. I feel like giving up. This is my cry for help, giving all I got inside of me. I cannot give this up so easily. Been gone for a minute, it's piling up on me. This music shit is all I know, and I need it. I can't survive without it. I cannot survive. 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 I cannot survive without it. Without it. I need it. Without it, I am nothing. 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 And I was nothing before you met me. It's all that I'm gonna change. Can I get it right this time? Get it right this time.
So this is the end result. It looks beautiful as usual. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more tutorials from me, if you guys want any more tips or even a hair regimen type of video. Please let your girl know in the comments down below. So yes guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.